at the Spring Street Carpark in Tauranga. We've got a Schindler 3300 MRL. I think this floor indicator has been replaced, as that's a Linea 100 indicator, I'm fairly sure. Top floor of the car park. No shaft view on this one like there is the one at Elizabeth Street. So yeah, maintained by Otis. Bloody friggin' buttons. Now we're going 1150 kgs or 15 persons. It's got a rather basic interior. Go back up to 9 again. I have filmed this lift before. I'm mainly refilming it as there's jack all lifts to film with it being a Saturday. Here we are back at 1. There it goes. That's it.